Signing up to deliver using the Uber Eats platform. Start earning today by delivering with Uber Eats. You can be your own boss. Grab your car, scooter or motorbike and deliver whenever you want. For an hour, for a weekend, or throughout the week. Set your own schedule and generate earnings when you want. How to sign up to deliver with Uber Eats. You can sign up to deliver with Uber Eats in 10 easy steps. Step 1. Download the Uber Driver app or sign up at t.uber.com/helloeats. Step 2. Open the app and sign in or register for a new account. To register, you will need the following. Be at least 18 years old. Have a motorbike or car. Provide your details. Here's a tip. Sign up with your full name and surname as per your identification document. Step 3. Select the city you will be operating in. And remember to provide active contact details so that we can communicate with you. Step 4. Select the type of vehicle you will use to deliver, motorbike or car. Step 5. Upload the required personal documents on the app as prompted. Be sure to take clear photos of your documents. Step 6. A clear safety screening is required to deliver with Uber Eats. Find out more by visiting t.uber.com/helloeats. Once you have received your safety screening, upload it onto your profile. Step 7. Upload your motorbike or car documents to add a vehicle to your profile. You can also manage your documents by visiting partners.uber.com. Step 8. Once uploaded, your documents will be reviewed and approved. Your registration process is then complete and your account is set up. Just remember, we are not always adding new couriers, so you may not immediately be activated once you have signed up. Always keep your contact details updated so that we can get in touch when there is a demand in your area. Step 9. An insulated delivery bag is required for Uber Eats deliveries. You will receive a link to purchase a bag when your account is ready. Just remember, do not purchase a bag before receiving communication to do so. After collecting your bag, your account activation will be completed within 24 to 48 hours. You will then be ready to receive orders and start earning. Need help? Sign up in the wrong city? Selected a motorbike instead of a car? Or having trouble with uploading a document? Chat to us using the in-app function. Or find out more about delivering with Uber Eats by visiting t.uber.com/helloeats.